guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have recreated this look right here. This is totally inspired by Hina Khan. I just saw this picture on her Instagram. Just find this picture there. I mean, find the inspiration here. This is the picture I was totally inspired from. So yes, if you want to see that how I recreated this look, this was actually a very simple look. Doesn't took me more than an hour because I was making the video as well. But I guess if you would be doing it like personally off the camera, it will not take more than 15 to 20 minutes. It was so simple to create this look. So yes, if you are interested, then keep on watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every single time I post a video. And with this, let's just jump into the video and create this makeup look right here. Okay, talking about the base, Hina Khan kept it very natural and elegant with the medium coverage foundation, and she did not went overboard with foundation. So here I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is really apt for looks like these, which are between natural to slight glam. Now you just have to make sure that you blend the foundation very well, because this is not the look where you would go with the patchy foundation. So blend the foundation very well onto your skin, and for that I am using a stippling brush. This is a foundation brush, and I am going very generous with the area around my mouth because that's where the foundation sits a lot. Now I am going to follow it with beauty sponge so that my makeup looks more natural. Hina Khan makeup is all about the muted natural look. Hina Khan has no dark circles under her eyes, and that's not natural. So you're gonna make her under eye area dark circle free with MAC Pro Long Wear Concealer, which looks a bit oxidized in the bottle, but it is not that dark. So we're gonna apply it under the eyes and on the eyelids, and then blend it very well so that there is no patchiness on my under eye area. Now with the loose powder, I'll just fix this concealer so that the area under my eyes looks smooth. I am using the loose powder from Makeup Revolution. It is their banana powder. Also, I am not going to do intense baking here. I am applying it for a minute or so, and I'm applying it layer by layer. And I am going to take it off soon because I don't want it to be there for long. So I am taking it off under my area, under my eye area. Then I'm going to go with the brows. Now for the brows, I am taking this spoolie first, and Hina Khan's brow were very evident on the face. So she basically has round brows, and they were really dark, black and shiny, which I personally loved. So I am first going to brush my brows in a semicircular way, and then I'm going to fill them with Nykaa Take a Brow. This product is so apt for these celebrity looks when I want intense coloration on my brows. I will just make sure that my brows are totally filled with the color and there are no sparse area or unfilled areas, and you can keep your brows a little thin. Mine are a little bold because you know the trends. Now the brow looks wow. Now with the Nicka K Sugar Plum palette, I am going to do the rest of my eyes. First I'm going to take off the excess by just dusting it off, and then swipe it with back and forth and circular motions on my eyelids. Hina Khan has a very little color on her eyes, which is actually not visible. It was not intense at all. So make sure you do not go overboard with the color, and you use a fluffy brush for color application. Now I am using a lilac lipstick to draw an eyeliner on my eyelids. This one is from Colourpop. You can use any purple color which is available on your vanity. Well, the whole point of applying this color on the eyelid is that you get a sticky base for your eyeshadow, which we would be applying next on our eyelids. Next I'm going to take this purple color from the palette, and I'm going to apply it on the lilac lipstick which we have applied earlier. And this palette has a major fallout, dude. So just cover your under eye area with loose powder in case you don't know how to fix these sort of makeup mistakes. Now once that's done, I'm going to do my lower lash with the same color. Since Hina Khan lower lashes were well smoked out with this lilac color, make sure you apply and blend this color first, and then you apply the black kohl. Because if you apply the black kohl first, then you will end up blending the black color on your lower lash line area, which you don't want. Moving further, Miss Khan did not have any fake lashes, so she went overboard with the mascara. And when I talk about overboarding of mascara, I just think of L'Oreal Paradise. Just gonna do a lower lash and upper lash. Now that one eye is done, we can move forward towards the other eye, and I'm going to do it off the camera. I am using Bahama Mama. Okay, I just broke it, but let's just keep that story for some another day. If you watch Hina Khan's face a bit closely, you will find there was little contouring on the face, I could not agree more that her face was very blank, but still there was a little contouring on the face which would be noticeable if you zoom out her picture, I mean zoom in the picture. So I'm going to contour my cheeks, and I'm going a little bit more on my nose as compared to my cheeks. So I will just blend that contour as well. I want a little bit more on the nose because the full face is really blank. Now again, a very nude lipstick was used on the lips, which I could not find on my vanity, but this color from BH Cosmetics went well. I don't remember the shade name, but I will just found it and listed in the bottom bar. Don't forget to check out the bottom bar as well for all products and their links. I love to use my hands for the blend, and voila. Okay, you guys, the look is created. You can see how simple this look was, and I am in love with this look. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow in my office as well, because it's like so carryable look. You can wear it daily as well, and you can wear it in party. If you are someone who do not wear makeup at all, this is the optimum. I mean, this is the best look you can create for a party or a function. And if you're someone who is like fond of makeup, who does makeup on a daily basis like me, you can just carry this look in your office, on your workplace, anywhere you go, on an outing, anywhere, outing ka to pata nahi, because it's like a lockdown. It's like everywhere. Tell me in the comment section that if your city has opened up or lifted the lockdown or not, and let me know in the comment section that you like this look or not. And if you have any other suggestions, any other celebrity makeovers that you want me to suggest, you want me to do, just drop a comment. I will do that as well, because I'm high on doing this recreation makeup. It's really fun to match the colors of lipstick, of eye shades, then see the face, that it has blush on it or it has contour on it or not. I mean, it's simple, but it's you can say not tough, दिमाग लगाने वाला काम जिसे कहते हैं. With this, we're gonna wind up this video. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, you can watch the videos that might be coming on your screen, or you just can hit the description bar or the YouTube description bar, and you can find more links over there. You can find more videos over there. And with that, let's just meet in the next video. Bye bye.